The Bray Series F15 F30 Flanged Ball Valve delivers dependable, zero-leakage isolation and rugged, full-port flanged ASME B16.34 design that is ideal for a wide variety of industrial applications. With a global install base and proven reliability, the Series F15 F30 delivers the performance and value you expect in an economical full-port flanged design, available in sizes from 1/2 inch through 12 inch, with a wide variety of options for most flow control situations. The Bray Series F15 F30 are available in standard A351 grade, CF8M, and ASTM A216 grade, WCB, plus a wide variety of optional specialty alloys including alloy 20, duplex, Hastelloy, Monel, and more to meet your process needs. Series F15 F30 features standard TFM 1600 seats and a wide variety of optional seat materials including TechFill, PEEK, RPTFE, 50/50, UMWhip, and metal. Available body cavity fillers reduce body cavity volume in order to minimize freezing, seizing, and trapped media, ensuring smooth valve operation, even in tough conditions. The F15 F30's low-emission packing design reduces unintended release of hazardous media into the atmosphere and is certified to ISO 15848-1, API 641, and TA-LUF VDI 2440. An optional media containment unit can be added for additional fugitive emissions control and monitoring in critical services. Series F15 F30 is offered with standard V-ball ports in 30°, 60°, and 90° configurations, as well as customized characterization to meet your unique control valve conditions.